Hi folks, Tara here in the craft cabin, just here today to launch our summer schedule. So very excited. This summer is all about kids and toddlers and teens and tweens and all things crafty. So just want to show you some of the things that we're doing over the summer. So we have four kind of things going on. Our first one is very new and it's toddler morning. So if you have a little toddler 3 years old and upwards, 3 to 5ish, come along to our toddler morning. So we'll be doing lots of simpler crafts with the kids, but also more sensory based stuff and games and lots of fun and laughter. We are also doing then teens and tweens, so we have a couple of teens and tweens things going on, so like making pillows and doing canvas art and lots of other fun things. Then we have our family days. Oh yeah, so family days is kind of new as well, so it's for mums and dads or aunts and uncles if they want to bring along their kids, so you craft with your child, so you make something a little bit bigger together, like we do stuff with fairies and we've stuff with pirates and we've stuff with fish, so we've lots of fun stuff going on for families to get crafty with. And then we have our ever successful craft day. So this is like a craft camp, so it lasts a week, so we have a week in July and a week in August where you can book single days or more if you want. So it's all on our website. These are some of the new crafts we're just getting together now, so it's very exciting here, making lots of new crafts, but pop on to our website and check it all out.